How to earn money from YouTube. YouTube is an American online video sharing and social media platform owned by Google. YouTube has had a substantial social impact, influencing popular culture, internet trends, and creating multimillionaire celebrities. It's a great platform that not only allows everyone to share their ideas but also to earn from it. Yes, one can earn money from YouTube, but how? Today, in this video, we will find out the steps on what to do from the start until you will finally earn from your channel.
Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. If you won't, you will regret it, ha ha ha.
Now let's dive in. First step is, get started and create your own channel. If you have your own channel already, then wait for the next step. If you haven't, then create one by signing up a Google account. Your YouTube account is just the same as your Google account. You can create a new one or you can also use it. However, you can choose how to create your channel, by using your name or using a custom name. There is an advantage of using a custom name or a brand name for your channel. We will discuss that on a separate video. Your channel can be anything you are passionate about, or anything that you want to share to the world, like your trip to the Amazon jungle. The ideas are endless. It is important though that you choose your channel name wisely for the chance to become successful. But don't worry, you may also change your channel name later if you want. What matters is that you have started it. Now that you have your channel, does it mean you're gonna earn lots of money now? Nope. Now that you have your channel, next you have to do is work on what you are going to put out there and upload your work in a video. Oh, by the way, if you are still confused on how to create your own channel, don't worry. There will be video up soon to give you a detailed step-by-step way of setting up a new channel. The more reason you have to subscribe, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. Now you have to set your own topics, for example what you are good in and what kind of information or solutions you have to bring to the audience. Your YouTube channel may not be limited to one topic or niche. There are so many ideas that you can think of. To start creating a video, you're going to need at least some basic equipments and editing tools. You may upgrade later when you can. You can also check my video for softwares and editing tools that you can use for startup. It is important that you upload your videos on a regular basis so your viewers and subscribers will not forget about your channel. So, you have your video or videos uploaded. Does it mean you gonna earn lots of money now? Maybe or maybe not. If you'll get lucky, and your video will go viral, you may gain thousands of subscribers and views, in which case, the next step will matter. Before you get rich from being a YouTube creator, you need to apply and be accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. As a YouTube partner, you'll be eligible to earn money from your videos, get creator support, and more. To get into the YouTube Partner Program, you need to meet the criteria set by YouTube such as 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 public watched hours, 0 active community guidelines strikes and the 2-step verification. Criteria may change, so you should be informed. After you meet all the criteria, and you submit the application, your channel will get reviewed by YouTube against their monetization policies. Once approved, you will get a notification from YouTube that you have been accepted into the program. It may take 1 month before you get approved, but it will also depends. To some it takes only 1 day, to others, it will take longer. And this is where it all started. You will gain money from monetizing your video when advertisers placed in ads to your video. You will earn per ad click in a smaller amount per view, but it adds up over time. Again, if you are lucky, and your video goes viral, then you can earn a lot. Let's go to step 4. Set up Google Adsense. You have to set up Google Adsense for free at the Adsense website and sign up for an account. You must be 18 years or older to create your own account. If you are younger than that, you will need an adult to help you. You need either PayPal or a bank account and a valid mailing address as well as other information so AdSense can verify who you are and who to send the money to. Aside from video creation, you can also earn in many ways as a YouTube partner. You can sell merch, become an affiliate marketer, or your viewers can purchase special chat messages or stickers during your live streaming. To sum it up, you can earn money from YouTube, but you need to work on it to make it big. Make an effort to improve your content. It may take time to make your channel grow, and along the way, You may feel like giving up, but you need to have the determination and the motivation to go on. Ask yourself why you started it anyway. Then draw inspiration from it. See you in my other videos. And thank you for watching.